Hey there, if you're thinking about getting a massage, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm here to walk you through everything you can expect from a massage session. My goal is to help you feel relaxed and confident, easing any anxieties you might have so you can start your journey towards better health. When the therapist leaves the room, you'll have some privacy to undress at your own pace. Start by removing any jewelry and putting your hair up if it's long, to keep it out of the way during the massage. Then undress to your comfort level. Whether that means undressing completely or down to your underwear is entirely up to you. If you choose to undress all the way, it'll give your therapist better access to areas like your lower back and glutes. However, if you prefer to keep some clothing on, such as a bra for comfort, it's perfectly fine. Just keep in mind that it might impact the smoothness of the session on your back and shoulders, but your therapist will adjust accordingly. Now, let's run step by step through what to expect during a 60-minute Swedish massage, starting with prone work. You'll begin face down on the table, and your therapist will start with a long, smooth strokes on your back, known as effleurage. This technique warms up your muscles and promotes relaxation, moving from your shoulders down to your lower back. Then, they'll focus on the shoulders and neck, applying kneading techniques to relieve muscle knots and tension. After that, they'll work on your arms, using smooth strokes from the shoulders down to the wrist and hands, before moving to your legs, where they use a combination of techniques to enhance circulation and relieve tension from the glutes, upper thighs, calves, and feet. Special attention will be given to your feet with gentle pressure and circular motions to soothe any remaining tension. When it comes to turnover, the therapist will pin the sheet and blanket to ensure you're properly draped, then guide you with clear instructions when to flip over. Once on your back, the therapist will focus on your legs, working from your upper thighs down to your shins and feet, using similar techniques to those applied when you were face down. After your legs, they'll return to your neck and shoulders, applying gentle strokes and kneading to continue relieving tension. They will then work on your arms, applying smooth flowing strokes from your shoulders to your hands, and may also include gentle strokes on your pectoral area, depending on your comfort level. To conclude the session, they'll end with a gentle pressure on your forehead and some light traction on your head to help you feel refreshed. Throughout the massage, you'll be draped with a sheet and blanket, ensuring your comfort level and privacy at all times. Once the massage is complete, then they'll leave the room to give you privacy as you get dressed. At my clinic, which offers a variety of massage types, I'm here to help you choose the best one that best suits your needs. For instance, a Swedish massage is ideal for relaxation and stress relief, which is gentle, flowing strokes designed to leave you feeling refreshed. If dealing with chronic tension, a deep tissue massage might be more your speed, as it targets the deeper layer of muscles and connective tissues. There's also trigger point therapy for those pesky muscle knots that cause pain elsewhere, and a myofascial release to help improve your range of motion. And for athletes, sports massage can help enhance their performance and speed up recovery. When scheduling your first massage, it's important to be upfront about any preferences you might have, especially when it comes to the gender of your therapist. I know it can be a little bit uncomfortable or awkward to bring this topic up, but it's worth discussing to avoid any surprises. Over the years, I've had clients walk out on me simply because they weren't expecting their therapist to be a male, me. So to ensure they're comfortable, it's always best to clarify ahead of time. Before your massage begins, you'll fill out an intake form. This provides your therapist with crucial information about your health history, current conditions, and specific areas of discomfort. It's also your chance to communicate any preferences you might have, like the type of pressure that you prefer, or any areas you'd like to focus on or avoid. The more detailed you are, the better your therapist can tailor the session to your needs. Once your form is complete, your therapist will review it with you, asking clarifying questions and giving you the opportunity to discuss anything important. To give you an idea of how session designs can vary, here's an example of how I typically structure my sessions at my clinic. I focus 70% of the time on addressing your primary concerns, from most to least concerning, those areas you feel need the most attention. Around 20% of the session is dedicated to findings from our initial discussion or any new issues that arise during the session. I like to incorporate a lot of mobility and dynamic pressure into my sessions, with a touch of sports massage for added benefit. Whenever possible, I also sneak in some static stretching. Massage is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and I never do the same session twice. Each session is tailored to your unique needs, ensuring you get the most out of every single visit. The remaining 10% reserved for what I call your feel-good areas, like your head, hands, or feet. Remember, while my goal is to provide relief, massage therapy focuses on treating symptoms rather than fixing underlying conditions. This approach helps manage expectations for your therapist and supports your overall well-being. Tipping is a way to show appreciation for the service provided. And for massage, it's customary to tip typically between 15 to 20% of the total session fee. If you're unsure about tipping, don't hesitate to ask your therapist or the establishment for guidance. In clinical settings like chiropractic offices and hospitals, tipping is rare and generally not expected. However, in environments like spas or on cruise ships, tipping is more common and considered standard practice. Remember, your therapist should never make you feel like tipping is mandatory. It's entirely up to you and should reflect your experience and satisfaction with the service. Thank you so much for watching. If you're a massage therapist, feel free to share this video with any first-time clients to help them prepare. For everyone watching, if there's anything I missed or if you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know in the comments. I hope this video brings you peace of mind and clarity. Love you all. Peace out.
I just had to do it one more time. I just had to do it one more time. Okay, sorry.
That's funny.